So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new around here, welcome to the channel. My name is Zoe. I do different types of content on this channel, to physical media content, to hauls and everything in between. If that's something you are interested in, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any videos from me in the future. So today's video is going to be nostalgia DVDs from my childhood, episode number 2. So I'm going to be talking about 3 titles today. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and let's get started. Okay, so as I said in the intro, we are going to be talking about 3 titles today. Also, hope you guys enjoyed the new intro as well to this series. I think it's quite cool, so let me know what you think of it in the comments below. But let's get into some nostalgic DVDs from my childhood that I absolutely loved when I was little growing up. So starting off with a classic, and this is Barney Great Adventure, the movie. Now I was obsessed with Barney as a kid. I used to watch it constantly. It was like my favourite thing ever, and the movie I probably watched over 100 times at this point. I used to watch this so much. Even like seeing these pictures from the movie just brings back so many memories for me. This was just so much fun. I absolutely loved it. This is on video in case you're wondering. Really cool. I don't know if I played this on video. I must have done when I was little, or I had the DVD of it because I used to watch this all the time. I was obsessed with Barney, and this movie was just so much fun to watch. Back in 2004 this came out, that long ago. Like, even seeing this front cover just brings it all back. So that is Barney's Great Adventure, the movie. Did anybody else watch this as a kid? Please let me know in the comments because I really want to know. Next up is the Simpsons movie. Now, I grew up with the Simpsons movie. I didn't watch like episodes of the Simpsons. I don't know why, I just didn't. But the movie was just so much fun. I used to watch this all the time and absolutely loved it. So there's the front and then there's the back of the DVD. Even the disc is like a donut, which is so cool. But yeah, I used to watch this all the time. Absolutely loved the movie. I don't know why I didn't watch like the series or anything. I have no idea, but I loved the movie. So this came out in 2007. That's crazy. But yeah, what a fun movie. Like, what a fun movie. I absolutely loved it. So I still love it now. Obviously, so that is the Simpsons movie. And the last film I'm going to be talking about is probably my most watched film as a kid, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I can't tell you how many times I watched this when I was little. I could probably recite the whole script because I used to watch it so much. It was like my favourite movie when I was little. Brings back so many memories for me. I will always love this movie. I don't care what you say about it. I don't care if you prefer the original. I like the original, but this is like my favourite. It brings back the most memories, plus I grew up with it. So there you go, 2005 this came out. This is now, I believe, 20 years old. I feel so old. So old. I'm like, oh, it's crazy. Obviously Johnny Depp as Willy Wonka is just iconic, and yeah, I probably watched this over 100 times as a kid. No joke. It was literally my favourite movie ever. I still love it now. Like, even like watching this now just brings all the memories back. Oh, even the songs as well. Like, oh, the songs are just so iconic. I will always love this movie. It's just so good. And yeah, that is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So that is the 3 movies that I've talked about in today's episode. So Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the Simpsons movie, and Barney the Great Adventure movie. So this film holds a special place in my heart, and it always will. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed episode 2. Thank you so much for watching, obviously, this video, and for clicking on it. I do really appreciate it. I really hope you guys are enjoying this brand new series to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because obviously that would mean the world to me, and don't forget to share this video around as well. Hope you guys have a great, fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in a brand new video very soon. Bye.
Standing on the dizzying heights.